This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza bread in an air fryer. First, gather your ingredients: bread, pizza sauce, shredded mozzarella, and any toppings you love. This quick method is perfect for a snack or a light meal, delivering a crispy, cheesy treat in just a few minutes. It's a fantastic way to satisfy those pizza cravings without much fuss or a long wait. Preparing your pizza bread is super simple. Start by choosing your bread. English muffins or sliced French bread work wonderfully. Next, spread a generous layer of pizza sauce on each piece, followed by a good sprinkle of shredded cheese. Now, it's time for your toppings. Pepperoni, cooked sausage, or diced bell peppers are all great choices. Just make sure not to overload them. Now for the cooking. Preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 minutes. Carefully place your assembled pizza bread into the air fryer basket, ensuring they are in a single layer to allow for even cooking. Cook for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. Keep an eye on them. You want the cheese to be perfectly melted and bubbly, and the crust to be wonderfully golden and crisp. Once your pizza bread is done, carefully remove it from the air fryer and let it cool for a minute before serving. They are best enjoyed hot, perhaps with a side of extra marinara for dipping. This quick and easy snack is sure to be a hit. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic offer on Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.